Charlie, so the info be say they say it be online romance.
You are watching the vibes. You are watching the vibes. The vibes.
Charlie, this be the vibes. This be the vibes, the street vibes. One more time, we back on your screen. Charlie, the information where they spread be say, and say East Legon, it make calm. They say East Legon, you know they hear noise for anywhere. Charlie, they say East Legon make dim, more like say like some cemetery be like that. Charlie, they say East Legon, all the luxury cars they see for street again. They say East Legon, all the nice buildings. Then lock come, so the owners then run. Some go day here, some go day here, some go day here. We know they understand. But the info we they get be say, they say some Interpol and FBI be, they say they did the street. They say they did the street, they control, they move. They say they get some G's be say, some boys be they control things, so they control some big money like that, things like that. So they say the information where you dey town, where me I get be say, the FBI is no, then the Interpol, they dey town, where they arrest boys. So as we dey talk self, they say allegedly, if they dey lie, me too, I dey lie. They say Kofi Boats. I be we all we know Kofi Boats. Yeah, the guy we challenge some years back, we see some white Rolls Royce be, then they road, they patrol, they move. People say they talk say the car be Reverend above for you. But we dig deep, we go inside, we realize say the car no, you know be Reverend above for you, but it be Kofi Boat. If you don't know Kofi Boat, wait, watch the video. If they follow this one, you go see who Kofi Boat be.
Order for and my baby PA area be we are seeing na white man shia isihui FAE pa billionaire bi a ompekasa billionaire bi a ontanti ni din ba we popular the friend Kofi Boat what I say Shatawale godfather no the white man powerful man Charlie enye man ketua what I say nti ono wa jiska na o diska ni low key yeah Kofi Boat wa jiska o ya simu a ba ompekasa mama ba hwe na mo bedi matem no so ye mo amolai me de mi twa kire o say yile ho na nso si di FSC na so bedi matem de wa asema iti hwe bi white mansion we be 20 bedroom ni si wasan efe pa
Charlie, so that be Kofi Boat. You see, they say the FBI grab him. They say the Interpol grab him, where they go put him for some corner. You they get. But the info we hear be say, it be some $100 million deal it be. Charlie, you know be easy, $1 million safe. Charlie, but that's why it be 100 million, Hey, Charlie, where is the control? I swear we had the talk. Where is the control? So Charlie, the info we say, them bab Kofi Boats, where they inside, that be the info we they get. It be allegedly. So if they the liar, me too are the lie. Because me, wait till I hear me, what are they bring? You understand? They say they bab Kofi Boats where they inside. Kofi Boats, we all know say Kofi Boats be Shatawale in Godfather. But we dig inside where we see, we hear say they say Kofi Boats if he chop like 35 years. So Charlie, so 35 years where they control like that, I don't know the car where this man no get. I don't know the mansion where Kofi Boat no get. Charlie, so the info be say, they say it be online romance, online scamming. Where your man do, Charlie, they say Eden boys, them plenty. You understand? They say then chow. Where them control some $100 million evidence. So that one way, Charlie, it make the people that I read when then you have built where they say no, Charlie, we forget to the root of this. So the information be say them bab Kofi Boat. That be the thing. So what's them babam no? You know if you know. They say boys hide. Boys take them a Range Rovers, boys take them a Rolls Royce, boys take them a Porsche Cayenne, boys take them a you know what I mean. Them or then take the cars, go hide. You understand? They say right now there, but another info to be said, they say the Yankees, the FBI, the Interpol for the America, they say then won't make them go extradite Kofi Boats, take them enter the Yankee there. But Charlie, if your man you go Yankee there, it go be too much. Oh, if you go Yankee there, it go be deadly case. I be where we see what is happening to Hush Papi. So Charlie, as we dey we dey search any other info we go get, we go bring them. So you are watching the vibes. The vibes. If this be your first time, Charlie, subscribe to our channel. Make the channel grow. Any info we go here, we go bring you. Keep watching the vibes.